Hey, what's up, y'all? What's happening? How y'all doing? Y'all alright? Alright, so look, man. How y'all doing today? Well, for those who don't know me, what's going on, guys? My name's Tweet. His name is Charlie the Charmander. We both want to welcome you back to a brand new video. Now, today, we're actually going to be doing something what I like to call Did I Improve? Now, if you don't know what this means, well, either A, you're new to the channel and you just hit that subscribe button, because I hope you did, and I hope you dropped a like too, man. That really does bring a smile to my face. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. I'm just talking, man. I'm just saying. You can change your mind afterwards. That's all I'm saying. Oh, if you don't know what this segment means, I'm going to explain it to you. It's basically exactly how it sounds. You take an old sketch that you done a year ago, 2 years ago, 1 month ago, 1 day ago, 1 hour ago, and you just see if you improved on it or not. I mean, I've chosen my Goku Black drawing. I'm gonna place it on screen somewhere around here, and actually just show you guys, what we started with and what we're working with. I'm gonna be doing some commentary while the video's going, so yeah. Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started drawing Goku Black and remastering that drawing to see, well, did I actually improve? Let's begin. So as the drawing is going along, I do want to say I enjoyed myself working on this piece. This was actually really fun, just to actually sit back, relax, pop some music in. By the way, I'm going to have my music suggestion or song somewhere in the video, so look out for that. And it was just actually fun just to relax and kick back and just go straight ham on a drawing. And it's actually really fun because this is like one of my ways that I like to get out of art block. If you have art block, this is what I would suggest. Take an old drawing that you've done from an hour ago, 2 hours ago, 2 years ago, 4 years ago. Don't matter how long it is. Just take an old drawing or old piece that you've done and try to redo it, but better. And the fact that you'll see progress will probably get your juices flowing right back again. So if you have art block, that's what I would suggest. Okay, so now we are on to the coloring portion of the actual drawing. Now, you're probably wondering, Tweet, what are you thinking when you actually color? What goes through your mind when you throw the colors down? Well, a lot of things go down. When you're first starting out, this is the things that I believe that goes through your mind. The colors that you're choosing, you want to make sure, they're correct. And the best way to do it, if you are a beginner, test them out on a separate sheet of paper. Take your brightest color, your mid-tone, which is your first shadow, then you get a third tone, get your second shadow, and if you want to get deeper, you get a fourth tone, which is your real deepest shadow where the light does not shine at all. Now, if you want to get even fancier and use some highlights, you would just don't color that part of the highlight that you want to actually portray. Now, if you are like me who has been, coloring from reference this whole entire time and for many years, well, you can really just pop in some music, just have fun, get the colors that you want. I even though I'm intermediate, I don't want to say I'm a professional, but I'm at to the point where I don't really necessarily need a separate sheet of paper to test them out all the time. But I still do. But if you are comfortable with what you have, throw in some music, just go straight ham on the drawing. The hard part is over. The sketching is done, the ink is done. You don't have to worry about it no more. Now you can get crazy with the coloring. And when I say go crazy, I literally mean please go crazy. Like, don't be afraid to go beyond. Don't be afraid to take that next step. Sit down, literally like seriously, pop some music in and like just relax. Like, this is like the best part of drawing for me. Like, I love the inking and everything like that, but coloring is what makes me actually pop out of my art. That's what makes me pop, because I know once I throw in some music and I got my colors right, I'm going straight ham on this. Like, you're not gonna stop me at all. Like, I'm gonna go beyond. Like, I'm gonna exaggerate. I'm probably gonna blend too much, or I'm probably gonna do too many shades. I don't care. I'm just gonna go straight ham until I'm satisfied. And that's the whole point of the coloring process. Color till you are satisfied. Get those shadows in if you want to, but seriously, take your time, relax, have fun. You know, don't let art be stressful. Have fun. Art is supposed to be fun. Let it be fun. You know, just relax. Everything's gonna be okay. Trust me. Guys, how do you like this drawing? I think I did pretty damn good for it. Did I improve? I'm looking at it on my phone because I did take some pictures on my phone. I wanted to look at it while I do this outro. Yeah, I like it. I know I didn't do the, rose colors, like the very bright pink and everything, but I think the rose kind of evolution looking Goku Black was just as good, if not better. I love the saber, well, not the saber, but I love the little key sword that he has. It's kind of very iconic for me. I don't know, I just love the little details that I added onto this. And just looking at our first one, you can see, like, I did try to draw Goku Black and I made tons of mistakes on this drawing, but that is the whole point of this video, is to see, did I improve from my first drawing that I did of this character. So if you guys think that I improved, let me know down in the comment section down below. Tell me what you like about it, what you hate about it, what you love about it, and just give me some honest feedback. I do value you guys' opinion, and it does help me become a better artist. So from myself and Charlie, we are looking forward to reading you guys' comments down below in the comment section. We're gonna be down there too, chatting with you guys. So yeah, so do all the YouTube stuff. Like the video, subscribe, tell your friends, stuff like that. Yeah. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. And we will talk to you guys in the next video. And as we always say, peace and sayonara.